She's after your sister's, is it Christmas, sorry?
Christmas light.
Christmas light or something. Oh, she stopped now. Here she comes. You get any higher? Kitten would love to be higher. No, she's going to get a dog, is she? What dog?
Probably. Unless she's looking after a dog soon.
How are they going to get on?
Oh, it's the owner. It's the same owner who had her.
Oh, okay.
So the kitten
Oh,
used to the dog.
Oh, they will get on then. Yeah.
Hopefully, if they don't, then obviously the dog's gonna have to go for in hall or something.
Be in a different room together. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Very chilled out there, isn't it? Nice, more toast. Did you buy that brown bread? It's brown, half a loaf of brown bread.
Yeah.
I did. It's half a loaf of white bread, half a loaf of brown bread. Collecting your hearts, Terry Loverboat. Gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. Don't look back in. Who do you think you are? Terry Loverboat. I can't think of the rest of the words. I haven't heard that song in ages. From the ice inside your soul. She's trying to catch her tail. She's trying to grab her tail.
She's mad cat.
Go around a circle trying to catch her tail because she can see it moving. Are you going to get down? Will she be alright going down?
She'll slide down. Or she'll jump.
I think she's going even higher there. You're going to get stuck up there. On my suitcase, maybe she was looking for the suitcase because she was using that to get down before, wasn't she? Oh, she might climb on the suitcase and jump down. Oh, she's going to get in the nappies. Someone's nappies up there. Or women's public products. Oh.
Well, you gotta learn yourself.
Oh.
You want to be a big girl and get yourself up there.
She's stuck. Are you stuck? Come on then. Oh. I chucked a bit of bread on the floor, but she hasn't had it. She really smells. You got a bit of bread here, look. What's that? A bit of bread, look. Oh, she's already. She's already eaten today, is that what it is?
Probably. She's off out.
Okay.